Gleva maha, Fàisneachd erash. Welcome back. Let's see how this prophecy came true. Okay, maha. Gleva. Well, show Fàisneachd nan Sràidean. Hicken la, nu de vis ushke schena, a struag tro Sràidean in your niche. Whoa. Shin inchinjoch. Agus nionach. Agus ekalach. Ushke agus chena, ounce. Ounce na Sràidean. Ekalach. Guma ekalach. Ooh. J va konjach oor am fysiche leoasach. J va a kielachig. J. Hoerst gumbi. Hoerst gumbi. Hoerst gumpi ushke is chena aan een Sràidean in your niche. A struag tro Sràidean in your niche. A struag tro na Sràidean. Kimmer a vieg, ushke agus chena, a struag, tro Sràidean in your niche. You know, J va konjach oor a kielachig. J. Well, show maar a Thàinig I gubi. Show maar a Thàinig I gubi. Show maar a Thàinig I gubi. San la an Jew. San la an Jew. Bi ushke agus chena, a struag tro Sràidean in your niche. Chena, shin gas. Chena, shin gas. Gas. Shin kerst. San la an Jew. Bi ushke agus gas, a struag tro Sràidean in your niche. Kimmer am bi ushke is gas, a struag tro na Sràidean. Bi it a struag tro Sràidean in your niche aunam pipan. Pipan ma. Got him. San la an Jew. Bi gas is ushke a struag trochrachin in your niche, aunam pipan. Gleva. Agus shin, mar a Thàinig, Fàisneachd an Sràidean, gubi. Shin, mar a Thàinig I gubi. Bí uisce is gas sin chéine, bí uisce is chéine, a strúig trochrachin in your niche, aunam pipan. Gleva. Hope you enjoyed that one. And I hope that you have a lovely Samhain time. I think this year Samhain is, well, the midpoint between the seasons is technically, or the points of the year is the 6th. However, this whole time is transitional, right? We're slowly easing towards winter. Summer is really departing. Fall is kind of melding into winter too. So stay safe in this transitory time. Carry a bit of metal with you just to keep yourself safe from anything out there. Anything that we might not see. But, you know, Connach Ower. Am Fisicheliosach, you know, things he could see. And other Gaels too, if they have the second sight. Keep yourself safe this Samhain time. Carry a bit of metal with you. Just to, you know, ward off anything supernatural that you don't want to interact with. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Enjoy this time of year. It's lovely here in Maine with the beautiful leaves. The air is crisp. All sort of delicious foods. I hope things are equally as delicious and beautiful where you are. All right. Gleva. Bianach lecht.